which imply deep appreciation and recognition of their distinguished leadership, unwavering commitment, and outstanding service to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, Incorporated. Your exemplary dedication to upholding the principles of eagleism, enlightened your humanitarianism, genuine brotherhood, love of God and country, and service to the community, and set a high standard of excellence and inspiration for all members. May your vision, perseverance, and service continue to strengthen the brotherhood and mission of the love. Given the 27th of April 2025, we will our 6th anniversary of the Rizal Freedom.
Okay, so mauna po kasi siya, hindi pala mauuna. Meron po kasi si Kuya Gob Bobier na Rexicom. So, kaya po pinauna namin siya. So, napagbigyan po tayo na maging guest natin ngayon para bigyan po tayo ng napakagandang mensahe. Okay? Okay, Kuya, thank you very much and congratulations.
Victor. Thank you.